How to unblock someone on Rednote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever blocked someone on Rednote app and now want to unblock them, no worries, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how you can unblock someone quickly and easily on the Rednote app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Rednote app on your mobile and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in your profile page, simply tap on the gear icon beside the profile button. And in the settings section, simply tap on the privacy settings. From here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled block users. And in this section, you can see the user person that you have blocked on the Rednote app. Simply tap on the person that you want to unblock and you will be prompted to their profile. Now in the profile page, you can see the option labeled unblocked. Simply tap on that. And that's it. You have successfully unblocked someone on Rednote app. Remember, unblocking someone allows them to interact with you again on the app. So make sure it's what you want. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.